He's back. Hey guys, yes, I am back from my long beach trip down to the beach house. It's a 10-day trip and I am still recovering. I'm exhausted. I'm going to go over some real important information about some giveaways we're doing, so hold on a second. Don't skip forward in this. I'm going to put up the day I came back. I went back and shot the fairway and the green, and man, it looks crazy, absolutely crazy. So I'm going to put that up in a minute. But before we go there, if you or anyone that you know deer hunts, my son and my son-in-law do a lot of deer hunting. I'm getting too old and lazy. I do deer watching now. For a year and a half, I worked with Anderson's to develop this product, and it is absolutely crazy. So, Moonshine Gold. In the description below, I'm going to link to everything I'm talking about. The reason why, number one, there's a Facebook page we put up for Moonshine Gold, and if you go over there and share the promotional video, if you know someone that does any hunting, we're giving away 3 $400 crossbow packages. So it's a crossbow and scope package. It's a Barnett. I think it's a Barnett Raptor. It's a really cool, really nice crossbow package. So if you know someone, go over to Facebook on Moonshine Gold. I'll put a link below, and then also on the website there's information about it too. But the real cool thing about this is the actual distilling process waste, which actually has everything that's phenomenal for deer, but it smells so sicky sweet, it just draws them in. Plus it has dry molasses particles mixed in. It's in a 2-pound day pack, so if you hunt, you can just stick it in your backpack and you can freshen up. It's just cool. Go watch the videos. That's it. That's enough about that. But three $400 crossbow packages are given away. Next, I'm getting ready to write our first check, $1,000 check to our subscribers. So all you have to do is be a subscriber and then be on the email list. It's not a marketing list. It's just how we use a random number generator on the website. I'll put a link below. It'll be on that page. Sign up for that. So that's enough on the giveaways, but $1,000 check for the next 5 months to one of you guys. Be a subscriber and look at that. So let me talk real quick about, I have got a ton of videos to try. I feel a little bit overwhelmed because I've got a ton of videos to put out for you guys. I went down and met with my architect, I met with my general contractor, I met with the zoning people. I got a little bit of that footage. We have 17 palm trees down there. I thought it was pretty cool. I figured I got a palm tree trimming video. I installed the Nest thermostat. I installed Simply Safe alarm system, and I installed the 2021 blink system. It's a new system. Now I did a blink system here at the house, and it's actually a real popular video. It has like 750,000 views, the last one I did. I'm going to do another one on this because this is the next generation and I really kind of like them. So I'll do that. What else? I'll walk you through the house. The next video I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the beach house and talk about the renovations that we're going to do on it. There's a huge amount of renovation work we're going to do. We're going to do a new fence down there. I think I'm going to let my general contractor replicate this fence. So I promised you guys a while back I was going to show you the construction of this fence. So I'm going to do a fence video so that he can watch it and learn how this fence is made. And then I'm going to have him replicate that. What else do I got going on? I've got so much stuff going on. It's just crazy. You don't want to miss it. So where do we stand with our lawns? This has been really warm. We went fishing down there. I got a little bit of fishing video. I'll put some of that up. My son caught a really nice 40-inch redfish off the surf. Not off a pier or anything, but out of the surf, which was really cool. We caught sharks. We caught all kinds of different stuff. So we did fishing in the morning, and in the afternoons we come home and do work. The crazy thing is it's been warm, man. It's been hot. I mean, we were down there in shorts and t-shirts the entire trip. I mean, the end of October, we didn't have any cool weather. My Bermuda lawn, I'm having to cut it again. It's dark green, it's thriving. The fairway, the overseed project on the fairway, the annual rise, I'll show you here in a minute. You're gonna be shocked. The green looks incredible. And I'm gonna be going back down in November. So I got a whole bunch of stuff going on. So I just wanted to say I'm back. I got a whole bunch of videos that are getting ready to come out. You don't want to miss them. I'll try and compress them as much as possible. And let me go ahead and show you my my arrival home yesterday, because it's pretty cool. All right, so I left the beach house early this morning. I left like at 6 a.m. It's about a 4-hour drive, and I just got home. And of course, Linda was excited to see me. The girls were very excited, but I immediately walked out back to look at the fairway and the green, and man, I gotta tell you, wow, it looks amazing. I'm gonna walk over here and show you a couple things. That's pretty cool. It's weird. You know how long it's been since I've been away from my house? For like 10 days. Wow, look at these tomato plants. Everything is wow. Wow, wow, wow. Is that just incredible or what? I mean, nothing really super impresses me, but that impresses me. Look at that fairway. Wow, look how thick it is. That is just crazy. That looks gorgeous. That looks absolutely gorgeous. So it's so easy to see the difference between the Bermuda, which actually still looks wonderful, and this annual winter green rye. But man, look at this green. This looks, I can't wait to putt this thing. I'm gonna cut it and putt it. How many people come home and get excited to putt their putting green? That just looks great. So anyways, the good witch has been coming over and taking care of all this. And she's done a great job, basically coming over every other day and doing all the yard work. Linda, don't go in there. Don't go in there. I don't know what she's getting into. Look at these. Now, understand, we're probably going to have a little bit disease on these things, but man, look at these tomato plants. Look at that. These are those 8-inch, $2 tomato plants. No fertilizer. No fertilizer. Just this humichar compost. Got a little bit of disease that hit over here, but man, look at all the tomatoes. This is late season. Look at that. Look at the tomatoes. Got some bugs going on in here. I need to treat that, but I see red tomatoes all deep inside. Okay, so here's the other cool thing. When we started breaking down our garden this year, I had some extra seeds, so we just threw some extra seeds out here for the heck of it. Let me step over here. I can't get past the tomatoes. Sweet basil. This stuff is amazing. I put it on pizzas. What have I got over here? Gosh, I forget what that even is. Coriander. This is coriander. I threw in some beans. Beans are growing. Look at this lettuce. Wow, look at that. That's going to be great. Look at the lettuce coming up. Carrots. A different style of lettuce over here. Kind of crazy. This, when we planted this, we put PGF balance down prior to planting. Once it germinated, we put down PGF complete. On the green, I put down a pretty heavy coat of PGF complete down there. It's looking amazing. The yard, humichar, and PGF balance, because it's getting ready to go to sleep soon, I think. So anyways, that was my arrival day home. Can you believe this is what, October 25th or something? And it's like t-shirt weather. I mean, it has been warm. This is, my Bermuda lawn is, it looks like it's June or something. It's just solid, thick, and green. It needs to be cut. But the fairway project really turned out nice. Now this is an annual ryegrass that's a little bit different than the normal. A lot of people use perennial. I decided to go with annual so it doesn't compete in the springtime. But man, this is just gorgeous. Now I got a new mower. I got an electric mower because I wanted one that I could transport down to the beach. That's a surprise for you. I'll be doing a review on that. Something offbeat is we had issues trying to get mattresses down there. So I decided to go with mattress in a box. I went with tried to get it through the normal companies. They had delays, so I went on Amazon and I did an experiment for you guys mainly, but I ordered one of those. It's a hybrid. It has coils and foam, and it's a 12-inch thick queen for the guest room, and it's amazing. I was so impressed. I ordered one for our home king, which is a 14-inch pillow top luxury. We slept on it, and it is amazing, and it's cheap. I'm telling you, for the price of it, I am so impressed with it. I'll do a review on that for you guys, but man, I'll tell you what, bunch of stuff coming your way. Click subscribe. Don't forget about the giveaways. And my putting green this morning is a little bit wet and long, but I'm going to putt it anyway.